Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about these two models from Poprace, both in a shell livery. Let's start with the Yaris, Poprace and Tiny Toys. I think Tiny Toys is involved because of the shell license, but I'm not 100% sure. Shell Toyota Pandem GR Yaris in a 1/64 scale. Let's have a look at the package first. Here we got some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. And here it says Toyota official licensed product, that is what we like. And Shell also decided that it's good to make a car with the Shell logo. Thank you very much, Shell. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. If you want to read the rest of the text, freeze the frame. Got a knife right here. Made it a little bit sharper. Still think it's not sharp enough. Definitely need to buy another knife, but I'm saying that every time I use this knife. Why I like Poprace so much? Price quality is really good. You can compare it with Mini GT. Poprace is not so long on the market. So I'm expecting a lot from this brand in the next couple of years, and I think the collab with X-Car Toys and Tiny is very, very welcome. Now, I'm seeing Tiny, but I don't see, yeah, it is. I'm not sure it's Tiny Hong Kong, because that is what I'm talking about, because I don't see any other reference to Tiny. Ah, here it is. Phew, I'm right. Okay, let's have a look. First of all, what I'm seeing is Advan here on the tires. I like that. Very good rolling wheels with rubber tires and cool looking rims. Roll caged inside, I like that, that's a good detail. Big ducktail here. Yeah, body is made out of metal. And we got lanced front lights. Nice intercooler here. Toyota logo, side mirrors. Everything is complete. Let's have a look at the base. Yes, I like this base because it's a metal base with details. Good profile on the tires. Thank you very much for that. Now we're going to have a look inside. It's a right-hand steering, and check that poke there. I think it's the brake, and that's very long, and that makes it very realistic. That's the reason, that's one of the reasons why Poprace is so good. I like an interior that is realistic. So really cool. Bucket seats. So yes, this is a very cool car, and it will fit very well on the new Shell gas station I got from G-Fans. Review is coming soon. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. This is going to be the favorite of the two. Shell Volkswagen Golf GTI MK2. Again, Tiny is involved. Nice picture of the Golf 1/64 scale. And here we got the back. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Let's open this up. And yes, this is a licensed product. Although I see no Volkswagen license, I see a Shell license right here. But I don't see a Volkswagen license, because here, it could be that I'm missing it. Here we got Toyota license. No Volkswagen license. Please do not touch the model if it's damaged or defective for your own safety. Okay. Yeah, box package, I like that. Very handy. You don't have to destroy the packets. You could put it back in the box for storage. Yes, this is not the first MK2 Golf they made from Poprace. Got a couple of them. So I know there's an opening part with this one, if I'm right. Nice that there is a Golf on the license plate, Lanced, front lights, Golf logo in the middle. And what do we got here? Here it says GTI, shell logo, windscreen wipers. I didn't mention the windscreen wipers. Here they're molded in the glass. Then we go to the side, door handles, side mirrors, windows. Yeah, I like the golden rims. They're matching the red and yellow color. Also like the profile on the tires. So Poprace can use the profile or the same tires as this one. They don't. They use another profile. Details, details, my friends. I like that. Metal base with details and a black exhaust here in the back. Again, Golf on the license plate. These are not Lanced lights, or are they? Nah, I think they're painted. No, they look Lanced. Painted Lanced lights or something. Hard to tell. Windscreen wiper here in the back, and this is also the opening part. It would be cool if there was something lying in the back. It's difficult to see, but there is nothing there. Again, I show it to you. It's a little bit difficult, but there's nothing in the trunk, and it would be cool if there was lying, I don't know, some tools. I know it's a race car, but that would be cool. Yeah, let's have a look in the interior. Yeah, good interior, all black, and with an authentic Golf steering wheel, and also the dashboard is authentic. I remember it because my parents had a car like this one. Not in a shell livery, but a blue one. And also not a GTI. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button if you want to see more Poprace models on my YouTube channel. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.